Good morning, students. Today we will, as you all know, we have completed the cherry tree, but we did not do the word wall part and grammar time part. So today we will do word wall part and grammar time part. So in word wall part we have synonyms, and you all know synonyms. The meaning will be same and the word will be a different one, like your formal name and your nickname. Okay, whatever be it, your nickname and whatever be your formal name, the person is same. So the same thing here in case of synonyms, the meaning will remain same, only the word will change. Okay, so in synonyms part we are given 5 sentences and we need to change those sentences. Means we need to, certain words are underlined and we need to use, and options are also given, so we need to use the right word for it. So for the first one, Arunima Sinha is a daring mountaineer. So daring is being underlined. Daring means a person who is having, the person is brave. Okay, as not the person is not having much fear. So here we are given reckless. Reckless means reckless is not the synonym of daring. Okay, reckless means a person extravagant, means the person is never listens to anyone. It's nothing like that. So daring means obviously fearless. So we can take daring or fearless. Okay, so this way we can do. Now for B, Lincoln was looking for an answer to the problem. Answer, and the option is given here is result or solution. Obviously the answer will be solution. Then number C, A.M. Subbulakshmi was a great singer. Great, though the word is great used here, but great is used in the sense obviously talented. Now number D, Gandhi was sad when he lost his pocket watch. So here sad will be not pathetic but dejected, a bit remorse. Okay, then number E, Jane Goodall studied chimpanzees in their natural environment. Natural means here it's not undefined, it will be native. So number E will be native. So this is the synonym part. You must copy each and every sentence. Okay, it will take a lot of time, that's why I have not copied. But as I think that we don't know whether we are going to meet again, when we are going to get our normal school days. So I thought to take the class the way I prefer to take. So in this way only I will be writing only these answers, and you will get all these things in your study material also. But first you need to try to do all these questions by your own self. You need to try them to solve by your own. Okay, so the grammar time part we are having articles. So articles you all know, yes. So articles are used generally before noun. It's generally used before noun, placed before noun to show whether it is specifying a particular thing or it is being used for in a general sense. Okay, so articles can be, you all know this, I think you all have learned in your English 1 classes. Still, as it is there, we will try to highlight once. So as you all know, we have 2 type of articles. I will not explain it the way you all are habituated in English 1 because it's literature. So I will be highlighting only the things are most required. So we can classify article into 2. First is indefinite article or indefinite article, and the second one is definite or definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an, and definite article is obviously the or the. So why a and an, they are indefinite article? because a and an are used in general sense, not to specify anything particular. Okay, before consonant we use a, and before vowel we use an, and there is some exceptions. You all know this thing, so I will not exaggerate more. And the is being used for some specific reasons. Okay, for uniqueness or something that is the only one of a kind. Okay, it is used before means to some certain people or certain family names, and it is used for particular books, movies, for well-known persons and well-known buildings and monuments as well. And some countries, those countries are having plural within it or having united with so many states. Okay, before landforms, water bodies, points on globe, or ordinary or superlative things, before superlative degrees rather. Okay, like the most, the best, in this way. Okay, is the tallest, in this way. Okay, so these are the before direction as well. So these are the general rules. I am just specifying these things because you have everything clearly written in your textbook. So the first task for today is to remember that table in a very nice way. The way you all remember your poems, in the same way you need to learn all the rules properly. So since you are getting objective type questions, so you need to prepare all these rules very well. It may come in your exam. If it comes, so that you can if it comes, then you need to do all the answers in a right way. So you need to learn them, remember them, you need to memorize them. So I will directly go to the question answer part, and I want all of you, as you all are habituated in your class only, that you need to open your exercise book and you need to copy the entire thing, and I will be dictating. I will be, as we cannot have discussion over here, so I myself only will be dictating the answers. So I want all of you to take your textbook. Okay, so all of you turn page number 39 and copy all these question sentences. Okay, and the answers will be discussed here only. So the first question is, you have to insert a, an or the wherever necessary, and you need to rewrite the sentences. Rewrite means you have to once again write the sentences, and you need to do the necessary correct. You need to do the necessary changes. Okay, you need to do the things in a correct way. So the first sentence is, sun rises in east. I told unique thing, only one thing, one of a kind. So we do not have 2, 3, 4 suns in this universe. Okay, so only one sun we have. So definitely it will be the sun. And as I told that before direction we will put definite article. So sun rises in the east. So obviously it will be the east. So you are not allowed to write it in this way. Okay, you need to write the entire sentence. Only one sentence I will write in order to make you understand. This is the way you all need to do. This way you all will not do. Okay, so it will take much time if I keep on write down all the sentences. So please be attentive while listening to this discussion. Then number B, during my trip to Europe, I visited France, United Kingdom and Netherlands. I told when it's a group of countries, group of states, countries are there, so we need to put the over there. So here we find like during my trip to Europe, only one single country, we will not put the over there. I visited France will remain France only. Then we will put the United Kingdom and the Netherlands, because Netherlands, it takes plural within it, so it will be having the Netherlands. Then number C, I am planning to go Caribbean islands, again islands, so the Caribbean islands with, I told, particular family, so the Roys. Then number D, Vishwa Mohan Bhatt plays guitar very well. So specific instrument, Vishwa Mohan Bhatt doesn't play violin or any other flute or any other instrument. It's specifying only one particular instrument, so it will be definitely having the guitar very well. Then number E, Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean separates Asia and Australia from the Americas. Okay. Number F, an east wind is a wind that originates from east, obviously the east direction. Number G, tourists from the world over flock to visit the Taj Mahal, one of the wonders, and we do not have, it's one unique place, monument as well. We plan to visit the Natarajans this evening and we are making bouquet of flowers for them. Kirti did not have an umbrella. We are here asked to insert a, an or the. So wherever it will be applicable, we will put. So Kirti did not have an umbrella, so we bought her one. It was the best because it's superlative degree. It was the best book in the whole lot. Then K. Manjali went to China for the third time. As I told before, ordinals we will put the, so as it is mentioned as third, so we will put the over there, the third time this year. Then number L. Please return the encyclopedia I lent you last week. Obviously it will be having the before encyclopedia. The encyclopedia. Then we come to number M. There is a planetarium at end of this road. Okay. If anyone puts at the end of this road, that is also not wrong. Okay. Then number N. There are many versions of the Mahabharata epic, so obviously it will be having the with it. Then O. My friend was late by an hour or two. Ordinal again, so we will put an here. Means it's specifying the particular time, so it's required, so we will put an over here. My friend was late by an hour or two. Now this is the part about articles. I hope you all understood. Okay, and now we will be moving towards dictionary, and where we will be means in this particular part we will be using same word once used as noun and once as verb. Okay, so as you all can see that it is said you should water it now and then, and another one is here, the first one, you should water it now and then. Okay, in this sentence it is said, it is not said you should put some water. Okay, but the word water itself is used as verb. Okay, so you should water it, you should water the plant. Okay, if I write, you should water the plant. So here water, you should give some water, you should pour some water. I have not used those words, but directly the word water. So here we can use it as verb. Okay, it serves both the purpose. If for the next sentence, second sentence, if we say that Rakesh came back with a bucket of water. So here water is used as noun. So here in this way certain words are given and we need to learn their meaning from the dictionary and we need to use them as verb as well as noun. So you will get all these explanations in your study material. But before that, I want each one of you must be having your dictionary at your home. So try to do this work by your own. Okay. And the next week we will discuss all these things. But before that, I want all of you to make a try. So first you need to, this is the task you are getting verbally. One written task you all will definitely get. So you need to first find out only the meanings. You try to find out from the dictionary. It's having only 5 words, so it will not take much time. So you need to first find out the meanings from the dictionary. Okay. Then in the next class we will discuss the sentences and all. Okay. I hope all of you have understood today's class. So this much for today. Hope you all will listen to my words. Thank you. Have a nice day.